Hey guys, welcome to today's presentation. My name is Uncle Klein. I'm with the Pro Traders Academy, where forex trading and mentorship institution. We teach you forex trading the professional way. Check us out on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and all the social media platforms. Our website is protradersacademy.com. Our handle on the social media platforms is Pro Traders Academy. Pro Traders Academy. Pro Traders Academy. All right. My name is Uncle Clean. Welcome to my presentation. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how to place stop loss and take profit, and of course how to put take stop profit. There's also what we call stop profit. There's stop loss, there's stop profit, there's also take profit. Some of you have been asking, how do I place that on my Meta Trader 4? So I'm quickly going to show you practically how to do that on a running trade. All right, so come with me, let's go to the charts. All right, as you all know, my analysis usually don't earn the 4-hour time frame. All right, the 4-hour time frame is what I do my analysis. What the 4-hour time frame simply means that every one candle you see here takes 4 hours to form. All right, the 4-hour time frame is good for anyone that trades long term, somebody that's busy with other things in his life. And I always advise people to do the long term trading, not the short term trading and scalping. Professional traders do more of long term trading, not scalping. Okay, so I teach that. That's what we teach at Pro Traders Academy, so that you are able to do other things in your life. Trading is not supposed to consume your entire life. Okay, because trading is something you can always do part time. All right, so guys, here's my analysis. Is done using what we call the concept of market geometry, which is basically studying the shapes formed on the market and being able to determine where the market is headed. All right, this trade has been running for about 3 days now, or about 2 days. Yeah, this is AUD card. All right, Australian dollars versus Canadian dollars. My analysis have been that the market is going to move from here down to this point, and it has done that over a couple of days. All right, today is 14th of March 2019, and this trade started moving down from 12th of March. 12th of March. So you can see this candle, it moved down, 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 and it's here. And I entered this trade just about here. I'm going to show you my live trade. And of course, you can see my my trade measurement indicator. This measures how I want this trade to run. I actually position myself that, okay, if I'm to enter this trade from here, if I'm to go, if it's to go against me, I'm going to lose about $31. As you can see here, $31 what I'm going to lose. And if this trade goes in my favor, I'm going to make about $53. And of course, it has gone to my favor. It has crossed my take profit position, but I'm not closing the trade yet because I know it's still going down. This trade is at the ratio of um, 1.7 is to 1. That's what you can see here. Close to, let's say, ratio 2 is to 1. 2 is to 1. So if my risk, if I'm to lose this trade, I'm losing 31 pips. If I'm to gain this trade, I'm expecting 53 pips. That's the kind of trading we teach you, at least minimum of ratio 1 is to 2 or 2 is to 1, as the case may be. Because why? You want to always be profitable at the end of the day. If you take trades, 10 take trades in total, and you're losing about 5 of them, and they are gaining 5. I can tell you that the 5 you're gaining is going to cover for your losses if all your trades are ratio 1 is to 2 or 2 is to 1, however you pronounce it. Okay, that's not what we're here to discuss. Like I said, I want to teach us how to put take profit, stop loss, and of course, stop profit. Okay, stop profit is for a trade that is already on profit already. So come with me, let's go to where my live trade is running. Here's where I do my analysis. This is tradingview.com. So let's go straight to my MetaTrader 4. I love to trade from my phone anyways. I do my analysis on the laptop and trade from my phone, but my trades can also be monitored from my laptop. I really don't like the interface of this what's called the MetaTrader 4 on the laptop. This is a MacBook, and the MetaTrader 4 is not so sexy if you ask me, but I mean, what can we do? Alright, good guys. Now look at this. Here is the trade that I'm running. As you all know, the green lines represent my entry point. So look at this. This is one of the entries. I have here sell 0.01. I have another sell here 0.02, 0.02. So I have 3 trades running on this particular currency pair, which is AUD card. And you can see the 3 trades are yielding profit already: $4, $4, $4. Right? Now the entry points and the take profit points. I'm going to show you how to generate that. You can see the red lines. The red lines represent where you want to take profit or when you stop loss and all that. Now, what I love to do on my laptop is to just visually position my take profit and my stop loss. Now, for stop loss, all I need to do is drag this green line. I can drag it backwards with my mouse. I drag it backwards. When I drag it backwards, it automatically indicates a particular position value. Like if this trade was to go against me, here is going to be my stop loss. Look at this. But what I will teach people is don't ever put your stop loss in the line of fire. What do I mean by line of fire? See all these candles here? See all these candles here? This will be the right place to put your stop loss. You want to put your stop loss in a trade like this, take it above these weeks. Take it above the week. If you know what you're doing, if your entry point to some point, you don't want to be in the line of fire because the market might want to push up and go back and then cross all these guys. And but once it crosses this last week, this highest point here, then assume that your analysis is not correct. Then let it go. Okay, so you don't want to place your stop loss here. For a trade you just entered, you want to place your stop loss somewhere around here. I'm going to show you also in my analysis, in my markups. Let's go to my markup. Let me show you quickly. Look at this. This is the highest candle here so far. And if you notice, this guy is indicating a position that's above this candle because you don't want to be in the line of fire. Look at this. This stop loss is way above this guy. Look at this, it's way above this guy. So if the market was supposed to go against me, if the price was supposed to go against me and goes way above this guy, then if he hits the stop loss, I will assume that this analysis is not correct. But as you can see, the market didn't go in that direction. Instead, it went in the direction I expected it to go. All right. So this is how you take positions. When you want to position yourself, you use a visual analysis to tell yourself, okay, here is the biggest, longest candle I can find so far. Why not I stay above it? Like my stop loss should be above it. If this market should go against me, fine and good, I'm gonna give up. But if it doesn't go against me, I will still be in profit. Look at it. I entered this trade just about this position here. Let me show you. I entered this market. I entered this trade somewhere around here. All right, this is my entry point, and I was trying to take my profit here, but it has hit my profit that you guys can see. But I'm still gonna let it run because this market is definitely gonna go down. I'm on profit already, so I got nothing to lose by letting it run. Don't always be in a hurry to take your profit because you can always make more. This market can run all the way down to this point. There's a tendency this market can run all the way down to this point. So what if I take my profit here and runs all the way to this point? I'm going to lose all these ones. I'm not going to do that, okay? If you want to learn more about this style of trading, you're going to be tuning into our trading style. Come to Pro Traders Academy and we'll teach you how we do this. And you're going to learn more. You might not be able to get all that on this video. So, but what I'm still explaining to you how I put my take profit and stop loss positions. All right. So let's go back to my live trade on TradingView. So you can see this is where my stop loss is going to be. But of course, guys, you know that this trade is already on profit. So no need having a stop loss that is above my entry point. So what we're going to have is what we call stop profit. So stop profit will be me moving this stop loss all the way down to this point. You see. Now, this is the entry point of this trade. This is the entry point of this trade, okay? So when I move this thing down like this, I'm moving it past the entry point. You can see that if I place my hand there, it means if this market goes against me, I'm still going to retain a profit of $1. Unlike when it was here, if it goes against me, I'm going to be on a loss of about, all right, let me see. It's not responding to me now. About $2 loss, that's what I'm going to be on. But right now, it's some profit, so I'm going to bring it right above. Let me put it above this candle. So I'm going to be a profit of about $2 still on this trade. Now for the other two trades that is running, I'm going to also put their stop loss. First of all, you drag it up backwards. This is stop loss. But when you bring it forward like this, you have what we call take profit position. I'm going to do this for the third trade. Push it up like this. Okay. Bring it here. Do it for the third one. All right. So you can see I move it up in the other direction first to create stop loss. To create the stop loss. Then I move it forward above the entry point. Look at it. Ahead of the entry point. These are my entry point. The green lines are my entry point. So what I've set here so far are my stop profit position. So if this market is to reverse, it's not going to take my money. It's just going to take away a little bit of my profit and still give me back some profit because the stop positions is now ahead of my entry point. Now I still can set the take take profit from ourselves. How do I do that? This time around, I'm not going to move because this is a selling position. So I'm going to drag this thing forward. If I drag it forward, what I'm generating is what we call, okay, you see this line here is representing my take profit TP. You can see TP here, take profit. And then for these other guys, if I drag them a line forward, I generate a TP, take profit. And I do that for the second guy again, take profit positions. Now, if this market keeps going down, once it hits these guys, it's going to take me out by securing my profit. So that's how you put your stop loss and your take profit positions using the MetaTrader 4 on your laptop. You use your mouse, you drag it around, visually you position yourself where you want to be on your take profit and your stop loss. I think that will be that for now. I hope you've learned something. Feel free to reach out to us, Pro Traders Academy. My name is Uncle Clint. You can find me on Facebook as well. We'll be glad to share with you my style of trading and teach you a little bit of how to trade the professional way. Our aim is to train as many professional traders as possible, get them all to the point where they're successfully trading and making money. Be professional about the trading, and of course, be able to pass the same knowledge and skill set to your people, your family, your friends, and the colleagues, and all that. Thank you once again for tuning in. I've enjoyed myself talking to you. I hope you learned something today. Stay tuned, stay connected. Pro Traders Academy love you. Cheers.